Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's start the chapter Lines and Angles of class 7th, chapter number 11. Okay, this is the first part of introduction video. Okay, I will divide the introduction video into two parts so it will not become so lengthy, okay, for you guys. Okay, I'll teach you in easy manner and explain you each and everything in an easy manner so you guys can do each and every question by yourself. Okay, we used to draw different types of lines, but in mathematics all the lines have different names. Okay, like if we know the starting and the end point of any line, okay, starting and the end point of any line, it is known as line segment. Okay, it is known as line segment. Means when we know the starting and the end point of any line, it is known as line segment. Okay, if we know, second, if you know the starting point, means we are starting from here, but arrow is present at the one end, arrow is present at one end, so it means it is moving further. Okay, it is moving further. We don't know the end point, we don't know the end point. If we don't know the end point of any line, it is known as ray, it is known as ray. If you feel like that the video is slow, so please fast forward it to 1.5 or 2x. Okay, because I am teaching you in a manner so each and everyone can understand. Okay, so please guys, if you are feeling that the video is slow, so you can fast forward it. Okay, now I'm telling you that if we know the starting but we don't know the end point, it is known as ray. Okay, if we don't know the starting and the end point both, if we don't know the starting and the end point both, means both are moving further like this, both are moving further like this, so this is known as line, this is known as line. Okay, it is known as line because it is further moving, it don't have starting and the end point, so it is known as line. Okay, now we will talk about different types of angles. Now we will talk about different types of angles, like if we make two angles like this. Okay, the name of first angle is x and the second one is y. Okay, if the sum of these two angles, if the sum of these two angle is 90 degree, means if we add angle x plus angle y, if the sum is equals to 90 degree, it is known as complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay, you guys can take a screenshot of it. Means if we add x and y, okay, like if we take, this is the angle of 30 degree and this is the angle of 60 degree. If we both add 30, angle 30 plus angle 60, it will come 90. This means these two angles, the sum of these two angles are sub complementary angles. Sorry, it is known as complementary angles. Okay, means the sum should be 90 degree, sum should be 90 degree. Okay, now we will talk about the complementary angles. Okay, we will talk about complementary angles. What are complementary angles are? Complementary angles, like same, we will draw two angles like this, it is known as x, it is known as y. Okay, we can name a, b, x, y, anything we want. Okay, and if it is the angles are given to you like 30 degree and 150 degree, okay, means the sum of angle x plus angle y should be 180 degree, then if the sum is 180 degree, it is known as supplementary angles. Okay, means sum should be 180 degree. Okay, if we will add angle 1 and angle 2, okay, together the sum should be 180 degree, then it is known as supplementary angles. Okay, I hope you guys understood what are complementary angles and what are supplementary angles. Now I will draw two lines. What I'm saying, I'm drawing two lines. Okay, lines means arrow should be present at both the ends. Okay, means we don't know the starting and the end point. Okay, so if we draw two lines, okay, which never intersect each other, means a line which two lines which never intersect each other are known as parallel lines. I am naming and showing the symbol of this particular line. It is known as parallel. This is the symbol of parallel lines. LINES. Okay, because in question you will get this symbol. It is not written over there sorry, that these are parallel lines. Okay, this sign is present over there, so this means you have to recognize this sign. Okay, that's why I'm not writing down the name of this particular line, I'm just showing you the symbol. Okay, so do remember what is this symbol saying. These are known as parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines, you guys can write it down. Parallel lines are those lines which never intersect each other. Intersect means they never cross each other, they never cut each other. Okay, they never cut each other like this or like this. Okay, they will never do like this, means they will, if we will move further, they will move like this only. Okay, parallel to each other. Okay, they will never cross each other. These are known as parallel lines. Okay, if we cut two parallel lines like this. Okay, so this line, the line which is cutting these two parallel lines, are known as transversal, are known as trans sorry transversal. Okay, these are known as transversal lines. Okay, it is known as transversal line. Okay, means it is cutting two parallel lines. Okay, now we will talk about third angle, which is known as interior angles. Okay, means interior angles are those angles whichever present inside these parallel lines. Okay, inside these parallel lines. Okay, like these two parallel lines, are here, means these two, this is one and the another one is this. Okay, the angles present between these two lines, like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the four angles present inside these lines, okay, are known as interior angles. Interior angles are known as interior angles. Okay, now second one. Now the fourth one we will talk about exterior angle. Okay, exterior means outside means angles which are present outside these parallel lines, means this one and this one, 1 and 2, not this one. Okay, because it is outside. Okay, 3 and 4 are known as exterior angles. Exterior angles, okay, are known as exterior angles because they are having free space outside. They can go anywhere like this, okay. They are having free space, that's why they are known as exterior angles, okay. Now we will talk about fifth angle, which is known as corresponding angle, okay. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, if we'll talk about corresponding angles, we will take one exterior and one interior, okay. Means one exterior and one interior, okay. Like this, we can take one exterior and one interior angle, okay, of same side of the transversal. We cannot take one interior of the left hand side, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. We can't take angle of one left hand side and another right hand side, no, it is not possible. We have to take it, okay, either of left hand side or of right hand side, okay. If you will take interior angle of left hand side, then we have to take exterior angles of left hand side only. If we take exterior angle of right hand side, then we have to take interior angle of right hand side, okay. So this is known as corresponding angle, okay. Means one interior and one exterior, okay, are known as corresponding angle. Corresponding angles, okay. Understood? Means we have to take one exterior and one interior. We have to take one exterior and one interior angle, okay. I hope you guys understood. Now just a second, guys. Now we will talk about, I have already told you about interior, okay. Now I will told you about alternate interior angles, okay. Alternate interior angles means if we will take one angle of left hand side and one angle of right hand side, okay, but inside, okay, first and second, okay. So these two angles are known as alternate interior angles, okay. I can take angle 3 like this and angle 4, okay. Angle 1 and angle 2 are, just a second, are alternate interior angle. 3 and 4 are alternate interior angle, okay. One should be of right hand side and one should be of left hand side, okay. Then only, okay, we can say these are known as alternate interior angles, okay. I hope you guys understood what are these angles, okay. Few angles are left. I will teach you in the next introduction video, okay. Otherwise the video will become so long, so you guys will not understand anything. So we will continue other angles in the next video, okay. And I will teach you which two angles are equal, okay. So we will solve the question easily. I will explain each and everything in the introduction video, okay, to make chapter very easy for you guys. So please like and subscribe my video and share with your friends. Have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye bye, take care.